Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Stephen, and today I want to speak directly to you about the single most effective activity you can do to improve your balance quickly and safely. I have reviewed hundreds of studies on balance, fall prevention, and walking, and the findings are very clear. Weakness is usually not the main reason older adults begin to feel unsteady. Exercises such as squats and ankle raises have been tested many times, and they do not reliably improve balance or reduce falls. What truly helps is practicing balance challenges in a safe and controlled way. When walking becomes difficult, many seniors begin to shuffle instead of lifting their feet. This happens because shifting your weight from one leg to the other begins to feel uncomfortable or even frightening. You may worry that if you lift a leg, you might fall. Over time, the fear itself becomes the problem. There is one simple activity that can help you overcome this. It is standing on one leg. You begin by standing in front of something sturdy, such as a sink, a heavy chair, a table, or a strong piece of equipment. It must be something you can hold if you start to lose your balance. When you are ready, gently lift one leg and shift your weight onto the leg that stays on the ground. The weight shift is the most important part. This is the movement that many people stop practicing, and it needs to be relearned. At first, you may feel unsteady. You may reach for support right away, and that is completely normal. Improvement comes from repetition. Try a few repetitions on one leg, then switch to the other. This process teaches your brain how to balance again. With practice, your confidence grows and your balance improves. Your goal is to stand on one leg for 20 seconds without holding on. Once you can do this, your balance will be stronger and your walking will feel more secure. Continue practicing regularly to keep improving. If this guidance helps you, please like the video and subscribe to Gentle Health for more supportive information.